So you updated your panels to Windows 11. Now what? All right, remember the training we talked about update IIQ, update the spreadsheet. Let me give you guys some pro tips. Let's jump into it. Okay, so you do Asset Explorer. You could throw on a couple filters. Here I've got Silver City. I've got Model Category PC Module, Model PC. And I've got 83. So there's 83 PC modules that slide into the panel at Silver City Elementary School, according to Incident IQ. I've got a few stragglers here that are still on Windows 10, but the rest of these, the FCS-P-, these are on Windows 11. The room numbers, that's the problem. Once it creates the asset, we need the room number to be attached. Now you can put in some steps. You can walk around the school building, but I'm 99% sure that if I click on this, okay, see how this has no room number? What you want to do is look at the timeline. The previous name was SCES 289. And if I go down here a little bit further, it has a previous room of 289. All right, so guess what? That's at room 289. How do I know this? Well, if it was imaged, Windows 10, it had SCE 289 as part of that room there. And it now has that new asset tag, but it's still at room 289. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save. X that box. I'm going to refresh. And now I could just go straight down the line. Hopefully you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you head over to my YouTube page, make sure you subscribe if you find these videos helpful. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.